Hey everyone, welcome to today's Steady Trader YouTube Live. Well, today we're going to talk about what a bearish reversal is. We talked about bullish reversals in a special video, I believe it was last week, but this week I want to talk about what a bearish reversal is. And of course, it's just the opposite of that, but there's very specific ways in which we need to measure that. I personally have a proprietary indicator I developed for that, and that is up for grabs. If anyone wants to, if you want to get that, let us know, comment down below. But let me show you guys what a bearish reversal is and how all of this works. So let's flip the camera as always. All right, so a bearish reversal, and we just so happened to have one yesterday, which yesterday, of course, was Tuesday, May 22nd. And what we're looking at when we're looking for a bearish reversal very specifically is what I call, first of all, buyer exhaustion. So if you look at this price action, the stock here, it doesn't matter so much, but it happens to be Caterpillar. You can see very nice move here over a couple days. And then all of a sudden on that day, which happened to have been the 21st of May, we had buyer exhaustion. You can see the bulls no longer managed to keep the stock up here. And ultimately, yesterday, we had what we call follow-through selling. And you can see my proprietary, it's called the B2 reversal indicator, did signal that with that red little down arrow. And so that now, the beautiful thing about this is now it gives us very well defined an area to lean against, in this case, if we want to place short bets. So your stop losses here are going to be very clearly defined. I'll let you guess for a minute where the stop loss is, but okay? So I'll let you know right now, the stop loss would be somewhere up here at the top end of that candle. Now again, the bearish reversal wasn't confirmed according to my rules and my indicator until yesterday's candle was finished. In other words, we had to have a confirmation selling day, and this indicator and scanner finds these opportunities on a daily basis, the bullish and bearish reversals all at once, all in one package. So now, according to these rules, the stock over the next at least days or so doesn't have to fall apart right away, but it should gravitate lower for at least a few percent, and at least for the time being. So that is what a very simple bearish reversal is, because I think a lot of people don't understand that you have to have follow through. And I'll tell you, in my 21 years of trading, I've always found that the follow through day, which is really the day when the signal gets verified or qualified, is really what we're looking for. This works on an intraday basis as well, just in case you care. But I think here too, as always, it's important to have your set of rules. You know, you can have any rule in the world, and one of my former mentors used to tell me that you can try just about anything in the market as long as you have good risk parameters. And if you look at this, you know, whether this trade works out or not, I don't know. But what I do know is I have extremely well-defined risk where I know the where I know the bulls got exhausted. I mean, I can visibly see that the bulls got tired here on Monday, right? They failed to close at the highs. The stock still closed materially higher on Monday, but then the very next day, yesterday, the stock followed through to the downside, telling us that this buyer exhaustion was real. So that's what's going on here. Also, as a quick reminder, and this is really, really important, folks, I'm going to share with you my story today, Wednesday, May 23rd, of how I lost $300,000 day trading and how that changed my life and how it changed the way I look at the market and what that led me to do, what the process is that it led me to start doing. I'm going to share that with you guys today at 7 p.m. Eastern. That's 7 p.m. New York time, which is 4 p.m. Pacific. So I hope this helps, folks. Have a wonderful day, and I hope to see as many of you as possible today at the special webinar where I'm going to show you guys what that big loss I had, what that meant for me, and how it changed everything. Take care.